The original linkage needs to be removed. Measuring its position beforehand is wise, so the new quickshifter and linkage can be put back in the same position. Knowing the position of the gearshift link is good to know, as it could create a greater force that is not needed on the quickshifter if it is not on correctly. Typically, this is 90 degrees to the linkage. The new linkage and quickshifter can be put back together and back onto the bike. Remember to put the gearshift link back in the position it was in previously, and to put the gear lever at the height you measured it at the start. Tighten everything up, but do not tighten through the quickshifter. It is also worth making note that the rose joint should have free travel once the rod is tightened.